how to create interactive component hover animations using Figma prototyping techniques. First, we need to create two separate segment picker buttons with different colors and states. Next, we will add interactions between these two components. As you can see, the Contact Us button from the first component is not selected. I will drag a prototype arrow from this button and drop it onto the second component. Set the trigger to while hovering. Then I will select what we deliver from the second component and drag it back to the first component. Do the same and change the trigger to while hovering. After that, I will set the animation to gentle to create a fluid animation effect while hovering the mouse. Now, let's check our prototype. It's working.